mataas na kahoy. And that is the Mayon volcano. Ibang view siya. Ibang angulo. Yan. Ibang angulo ng Taal Volcano. Ito ang view. Habang nagla-lunch. And that's the Mount Maculot. Uy, ang ganda. Look at that. Promoted na naman tayo niyan. Ang ganda, guys. Mount Maculot. Taal Volcano. From a different angle. It's the Taal Volcano.
We done?
For your appetizer.
That's your salad.
Ah, right. Excellent.
Siladang Filipino bread.
Wow.
Next.
That looks maganda.
Crispy pork kare-kare.
Thank you.
Alamang.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Spicy chicken balanol.
Okay. Thank you. Is it possible to find a knife?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Oh, ang sarap. Ah. Thank you.
No idea what I ordered before, but
It's like spicy chicken in Thailand.
do I just dump it on my plate?
Yeah. Masarap. Crispy kare-kare.
What was yours? Well, yours is curry curry,
Curry
isn't it?
curry,
So
yeah.
it's the
Peanut sauce.
chicharron with a peanut sauce.
Yes.
How's it go?
They're still sharpening your. They're still sharpening your knife. Why you need a knife, Mahal?
Cut things with, like an egg.
You can cut it with this.
Really? There's a nice
Yes.
sharp bit on the knife, on the spoon.
Ah, try it, Mahal, and you'll see. I can even cut my crispy pork with it. Ang sarap.
Yeah,
Mm.
very spicy.
Mm. A different angle of Taal Volcano. Yeah. So the crater is right there. The view from Tagaytay is here, that side. So they can see this little island, and then the volcano is actually this part. And then Mount Maculot.